Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Mr. Santos Capillan Jr. Always wishing you a good day. Guys, today what I'm going to show you is the one that I'm trying to discuss in my YouTube channel. Okay, especially to those members of my YouTube channel. Okay, what I have here is a fresh air handling unit. Okay, this is the FAHU. Now I'm already showing you the human machine interface or my BMS graphics. Okay. Now, guys, first I would like to invite you to be a member of my YouTube channel to be able to learn building management system or building automation in details. Okay. Now, actually, I already started explaining the exhaust fan. How are you going to engineer an exhaust fan? Okay, so I think I have around 21 or 22 videos tutorial for that HVAC equipment. Now, I started already my air handling unit tutorials. Okay, so I have fresh air handling unit here, ERU, and RAHU. Recirculating air handling unit, then fresh air handling unit, then ERU. Now, I have started my FAHU. Okay, so this is my graphics. Then I already did some programming, especially how you are going to start the fan. Then how are you going to control the valve. Okay, so these are the two control logic programming that I already discussed in my channel to those who are wishing to be a member of this channel. Okay, now guys, I want to show you also my because I'm trying to prepare also the mini lab for this FAHU. Okay, so I have here my, since our FAHU it only have the fan, so I'll be representing the fan, supply fan, with this fan. Okay, then another component there is the valve actuator. Okay, so this is the valve actuator that I'm going to program. Actually, I already programmed it. All I need to do is to demonstrate how it works. Okay, then I will try also to discuss the terminals for the valve actuator. Okay, then I will show you, or I will demo how my control logic program will try to modulate this valve actuator. Okay, so this actuator will be the one to open and close the valve, which will allow the chilled water to flow inside the cooling coil of the air handling unit. Okay, now I have here one temperature sensor. Okay, this will be my temperature sensor. I will use this one for my supply air temperature. Okay, then I have one temperature sensor here, humidity and temperature sensor for my outside air. Okay, then I have here my damper actuator. I have one damper actuator here. Okay, so this one will represent the field devices shown in my BMS graphics. Okay, then I have here my motor control. Okay, so I have my circuit breaker, I have my magnetic contactor that will try to provide power in my fan. Okay, then I have here my overload protection. Then I have some miniature relay to provide the hand-off auto status, run and trip. Okay, then I can also show you the controllers that I'm going to use. Now I'm planning to, actually I already defined the points in this UI 16. Okay, so most of the points are defined in here. Okay, all I need to do is connect the temperature sensors also. Then I'll be using this digital output. Actually, I have here DO8. So I will be using here DO1 and DO2. Okay, DO1 and DO2 to control my fan and my damper actuator, my open close damper actuator. So this is the one. Okay, so I will be demonstrating this thing when I finish my mini lab for my FAHU. Okay, so these are the basic field device. First, I have the valve actuator. Then I have here the temperature sensor, two temperature sensors. Then I have also my damper actuator. Okay, then my motor control, where I will get the most needed status from my control panel. Okay, then I have my main supply fan. Okay, now let me go back to my graphics. Okay, so actually I already have, that is the damper actuator, or the damper with the damper actuator. Okay, that is will be my supply temperature. That is the fan. That is the cooling coil. Then what I have there is the valve actuator that will control the valve. Now for the filters, maybe I can just show you some of the, I will show you, maybe I will use this one. This is the differential pressure switch that can be used for airflow sensing and dirty or clean filter monitoring. Okay, maybe I will try to include it in my mini lab. Okay, but since I have limited space, so I'm just showing you the important components of the FAHU. So this mini lab or this mini arrangement will be my demonstration for fresh air handling unit. Okay, when we reach the return, the recirculating air handling unit, maybe I will use this motor control to represent. This one is the supply and this one will be the return fan to simulate the recirculating air handling unit or the ERU also, and incorporating these field devices. Okay, so guys, if you will become a member of my YouTube channel, you will be able to learn in details how are you going to wire these things, how are you going to control the valve and to control the fan through our functional block programming, and how are you going to do the termination to your controllers. Okay, so these are the things that you will enjoy when you will become a member of my YouTube channel. You will be able to learn all these things by just watching my video tutorial, which are detailed step by step. So these are for the guys who are wishing to become a BMS engineer, or those engineers who want to join an MEP company. Okay, or those engineering students or any other technical students who in the early stage wants to learn the building management system. I also have an online class for this BMS. Now you can just PM me for details. Just look my messenger, Santos Capellan Jr., and visit also my YouTube channel. And for those who don't want to be a member, I have free tutorials where you will learn also these things. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching this short video tutorial. And again, I am inviting new engineers, engineering graduates, and those engineers who have not yet landed a job. This is your chance to learn building automation and building management system, and in preparation if you wish to be a part of an MEP company, mechanical, electrical, plumbing company, who are in charge of providing the mechanical and electrical equipment of a project. And of course, the BMS scope is part of an MEP company in the mechanical part. Okay, so again, thank you for watching, and Santos Capellan Jr. will always end my tutorial by saying, God bless us all, and bye for now.